you tired of blending in with all the other job seekers? You know that getting noticed is essential in today's cutthroat job market. But do not stress out, because there are proven tactics to create a winning resume that will make you shine. Recruiters, like me, are incredibly particular in selecting candidates for interviews. The competition is fierce, and I will tell you that we recruiters only spend an average of 6 seconds reviewing resumes before deciding if an applicant is worth our time. Let's make those 6 seconds count and get you closer to landing your dream job. In this series on resume development, I'm going to go over how to write a winning resume that will get noticed by hiring managers and recruiters and help land you the job that you want. Now, you might be thinking that you wrote a great resume, or maybe you hired a resume writer to write your resume. I don't believe in that, but that's not what this is about. We can talk about that on another video. However, I want you to keep this in mind as you're writing your resume. Your resume's job is to generate calls. If you're not generating 3 to 5 calls a week, I don't care how fabulous you think your resume is. If it's not doing its job to generate calls, then we need to change it up. Today, I'm going to focus on one incredibly important thing that is easy for job seekers to implement that will greatly improve your chances of getting noticed and hired. But first, my name is ILENE, and for over a decade, I've been an executive recruiter and job search strategist for thousands of paying clients. My expertise lies in revealing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter on how to quickly capture the attention of employers and recruiters to land the dream job that you desire. As a job search strategist, I personally focus on teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their job search, secure a position that inspires them, and earn the income that they so richly deserve. You're here watching this video to learn how to land your dream job. I'll let you know, I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before everyone else, now would be a genius time to subscribe to get alerts when I post new content. When it comes to writing a winning resume, action verbs are your best friend. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, using powerful language such as created, initiated, achieved, or managed can help you stand out from the competition. Studies show that resumes with strong action verbs are more likely to be read by prospective employers and lead to more job interviews. So, don't be afraid to showcase your experience and competency in a concise, easy-to-read way. Choose your words carefully and let your accomplishments speak for themselves. With the right language and a bit of perseverance, you'll be well on your way to landing your dream job. I have a free download I want to share with you. But if any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com, and you will gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop that will show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your search for a new career opportunity. Because as far as I'm concerned, every day you're not working, you are losing money. I don't believe in wasting time. I certainly don't believe in wasting money. And we all know it flies out the window fast enough. Okay, so to help you out, I've created a free download of scientifically proven attention magnet resume words that will stop a recruiter's eyes, capturing their attention and get them to take action to contact you. You can download this. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com/resume words. I'll also leave the link in the comments for easy access. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. Again, it's at www.poundingpavement101.com. My name is ILENE REIN. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist. I'm here to teach you those inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. Good luck on your job search.